Got a fault code and don't know where to start? Guided Function on Xentry walks you through every step, from reading the fault to confirming the fix. In this video, I'll live demo 3 real fault codes: B165213, U042756, and U112787. Let's see how Guided Function handles each one. First, plug in the star diagnosis, open Xentry, and run a full system scan. Once the scan finishes, Xentry lists all modules with faults. I can see 3 faults we need to deal with today. Instead of guessing, I'll go straight to Guided Function. This is Mercedes' built-in diagnostic and test workflow tool. First fault, B165213, in the sound system module. This typically relates to an audio signal circuit issue. I select fault B165213 and tap into Guided Function. Xentry automatically loads the appropriate test routine. Xentry prompts each step: check power supply, check signal. Just follow the instructions on screen. The routine completes and Xentry confirms the result. This one's quick, under 2 minutes. Next, U042756 in the Intelligent Drive module, the driver assistance system. U-codes typically indicate inter-module communication faults. Launching Guided Function for this fault. The routine is longer because Intelligent Drive involves multiple sensors. Xentry asks to check CAN bus connections, then test each related sensor in sequence. Follow the order exactly. At this stage, Xentry may ask you to cycle ignition or do a short drive. Just follow through. Don't skip any step. Done. Guided Function confirms U042756 has been fully tested. If the fault persists, the results section will suggest next steps. Last one, U112787 in the Ambience Light module. Sounds minor, but ambient lighting impacts the driving experience more than you'd think. Guided Function for this fault is fairly straightforward, mainly tests the lighting control circuit and BCM signal. Xentry checks each lighting zone and verifies input/output signals. Just confirm each step as prompted. All 3 faults tested. Each one had a clear, structured routine. In Guided Function, no guesswork needed. Guided Function isn't just for testing. It helps you understand exactly where in the system the fault is occurring. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more Xentry content. Drop a comment with faults you encounter. I'll cover them next.